In this video, we will show you all the steps needed to create a FedEx developer account and getting your API credentials, which are needed if you want to get discounted rates or print labels from the FedEx shipping and label printing PoCo app for Wix. First step will be to go to developer.fedex.com. You'll need to select your location and language and click on Sign Up. If you already have a FedEx account, you can log in. Otherwise, create a new user ID and password. And then you'll need to enter your contact information below and then click on Continue. Now that our account was created, we will need to create a new organization. We're going to select the first option from the list and enter our company name and details. And when everything is filled, we're going to click on Create. We've successfully created the organization, and now we can add a shipping account. I'm going to click on Add Account. If you already have an account, you can enter the account number and nickname. If you followed our steps here and it's your first time, you're going to need to click on Create an Account. This will continue where our account creation started on the developer website, and we'll just need to select the account type, enter the company name, and we will need to enter credit card for verification. Once you've filled everything, you can click on Submit. And if everything went well, you should see a message saying you're all set, and you might want to copy this account number and go back to the previous page where we add the shipping account. Enter the billing address and click on Next. Follow the rest of the steps here. Click on Add Account. You should see your new account showing up on a Manage Organization page. Now we'll need to create a new project. On the left side, click on My Projects and click on Create a Project. We'll select the first option, click on Next. And you want to select the ship, rate, and other APIs. And scroll down below to select the following options: address validation, comprehensive rates, postal code validation, rates and transit times, and ship API. And click on Next. Select the project name, select your country. If you plan to use shipping Smart Post for returns, you can select No. And finally, you want to confirm the details. You're all set. You will be automatically redirected to your project page, to the API project overview, and here you can find the API key, the secret key, and the account. Once again, you will want to populate this information in the FedEx Shipping and Label Printing app. That's it. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at wix@prestochango.com. Thank you very much.